हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम मॉडल क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर सोशल साइंस के की आंसर्स देखेंगे। यहाँ पर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, जिसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फाउंडर ऑफ करकोटा एम्पायर। करकोटा एम्पायर का फाउंडर कौन है? यहाँ करकोटा एम्पायर का फाउंडर है राजा दुर्लभ वर्धना, जो कि बी ऑप्शन है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, द सोल्जर्स ऑफ शिवाजी वर एक्सपर्ट्स इन दिस टाइप ऑफ वारफेयर। यानी कि शिवाजी महाराज के जो सेना थी वो सेना किस तरह की युद्ध करने में कुशलता रखते थे? वो गोरिल्ला टाइप की कुशलता में वो योग्य थे, जो कि है ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट थर्ड क्वेश्चन, द अपर हाउस ऑफ द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर। अपर हाउस को हम क्या कहते हैं स्टेट में? उसे हम विधान परिषद कहते हैं, डी ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन, द कमरस्टोन ऑफ इंडिया सोसाइटी इज। इंडिया सोसाइटी के कमरस्टोन क्या होगा? कौन सी कम्युनिटी होगी? वो है कम्युनिटी, ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी, बी ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ वन, बायोडाइवर्सिटी जोन ऑफ कर्नाटका। कर्नाटका का बायोडाइवर्सिटी जोन कौन सा है? द कोस्टल जोन होगा बायोडाइवर्सिटी जोन। कर्नाटक में कोस्टल जोन एक एरिया है, बी ऑप्शन। सिक्स्थ वन, डिस्ट्रिक्ट दैट हैज मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ वाटरफॉल्स इन कर्नाटका। इसी कौन सी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जिसमें मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ वाटरफॉल्स इन कर्नाटक में? वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट शिवमोगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, लेकिन यहाँ पर ऑप्शन नहीं दिया गया है। तो शायद ये अगर इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन अगर पूछा गया एग्जाम में तो उससे ग्रेस मार्क्स मिलेंगे आपको। कोई तो एक ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, ग्रेस मार्क्स मिलेंगे अगर ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन आएगा तो। नेक्स्ट, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया वाज एस्टैब्लिश इन द ईयर। रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया आरबीआई कब एस्टैब्लिशमेंट हुआ? 1935 में एस्टैब्लिश हुआ, वो ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट एट्थ क्वेश्चन, कंप्लेंट्स वर द वैल्यू ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विसेज लेस देन 20 लाख शैल बी रजिस्टर्ड एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट फॉरम में वो रजिस्टर होंगे। नेक्स्ट वन मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, सो आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन ए सेंटेंस ईच। एक सेंटेंस में हमें आंसर देना होगा क्योंकि ये वन मार्क्स क्वेश्चन है। नंबर 9 क्वेश्चन इज विच इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ टीचिंग्स ऑफ गुरु नानक। जो गुरु नानक साहब थे उनकी टीचिंग्स किस कलेक्शन में मिलती हैं? वो मिलती हैं गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब, ये किताब है। इनमें सभी टीचिंग्स उनके जो भी विचार थे वो इसमें मिलेंगे। नेक्स्ट 10th वन, हु एडवोकेटेड अहम ब्रह्मास्मि को। किसने एडवोकेट किया? तो यहाँ पर आंसर है अहम ब्रह्मास्मि, आई एम ब्रह्मान इज द बृहद ब्रह्मण्यक उपनिषद, जो है शुक्ला यजुर्वेद में आएगा वो। व्हाट इज द सोशलाइजेशन? सोशलाइजेशन मीन्स क्या? सोशलाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस थ्रू विच पीपल आर टॉट टू बी proficient members of a society. 12th question is what are the values a child learns in a family atmosphere? family atmosphere में child कौन से वैल्यू सीखेगा? पहला है टीचिंग रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, हार्ड वर्क, द वैल्यू ऑफ हेल्पिंग अदर्स, बीइंग वेल मैनर्ड। डिफाइन इरिगेशन फैमिली, इरिगेशन फार्मिंग। Irrigation is the practice of applying controlled amounts of water to land to help grow crops, landscape plants and lawns. What are the factors of production? 4 factors are there. First one is land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. Next 15th question, what is the naval base near Karwar known as? उसे हम INS कदम्बा कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट 16th क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज मार्केटिंग? मार्केटिंग रेफर्स टू एक्टिविटीज ए कंपनी अंडरटेक्स टू प्रमोट द बेइंग और सेलिंग ऑफ ए प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस। नेक्स्ट 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन। 17th क्वेश्चन इज हाउ वर इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन? फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स क्या क्या है रेवोल्यूशन के लिए? यहाँ पर कुछ फैक्टर्स दिए गए हैं। एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ न्यूमरस वार्स waged by Louis XVI, the state coffers were empty. The situation was made even more complex by France's involvement in the American War of Independence and the faulty system of taxation. Next 18th question, what is the purpose of establishing Lok Adalats? लोक अदालत इस्टेब्लिश करने के, लोक अदालत स्थापित करने के फायदे क्या क्या हैं, उस मतलब किस वजह से वो इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था। लोक अदालत इज वन ऑफ द अल्टरनेटिव डिस्प्यूट redressal mechanisms. It is a forum where disputes or cases pending in the court of law or at pre-litigation stage are settled or compromised amicably. Lok adalats have been given statutory status under the Legal Services Authorities Act in the Act 1987. Next to 19th question. How are the Indian tribes classified geographically? Answer is besides the zonal and geographical distribution, tribes have also been classified on the basis of their ecological habits. On this basis, they are classified as those who live in the hills. In hills means hill of Karbis, hill of Tivas of Assam, plains, Bodo Singh forests, Kadara of Kerala, rural, urban and industrial areas. Next 20th question. Explain the geographical location of Karnataka in India. The Indian state of Karnataka is located between 11 degree or 30th north and 18 degree 30th north latitudes and between 74 degree east and 78 degree 30th east longitude. It is situated on a tableland where the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats coverage into the complex in the western part of the Deccan Peninsular region of India. Mention the uses of manganese. Manganese की uses हमें यहाँ पर लिखना है. Manganese is used to produce a variety of important alloys and to deoxidize steel and desulfurize. It is also used in dry cell batteries. Manganese is used as a black-brown pigment in paints. It is an essential trace element for living creatures. Next 22 question. Why are sugar industries of Karnataka are concentrated in the catchment areas of the Kaveri, Krishna and Tungabhadra? इसका आंसर है it has fertile soil and heavy rainfall suitable for sugarcane cultivation. Next 23 question. How does division of labor helps in the increase of production? Answer is division of labor combines specialization and the partition of a complex production task into several or many subtasks. Its importance in economics lies in the fact that a given number of workers can produce in the form of more output using division of labor compared to the same number of workers each working alone. Next is 24th question. What factors are to be kept in the mind while taking a decision of business management? बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट के लिए हमें कौन से बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए? Planning premises, which refers to the forecasting of the future course of action that helps in the decision making. Organizational environment, timing of the decisions highly influences in the decision. Participation of employees in the decision making time. Next, 25th question. This is 3 marks question. What are the reasons for the popularity of Christianity? The reasons are personality of Jesus, simple principles, role of apostles, role of church, role of Constantine. Next, 26th question. Which are the tenets advocated by Madhvacharya? The answer is it is as true as Paramatma or the divine soul. Between these, the divine soul is independent and the rest of the world is illusionary. The divine soul and the human soul have a lord and servant relationship. Lord Vishnu or Narayana alone is supreme. Next to 27th question. What are the reasons for geographical exploration? Geographical exploration के लिए reasons क्या क्या हैं? The first reason is the countries Portugal and Spain were in constant competition with Arabs in sea trade. Adventurous youth were encouraged by the rich and local people to venture in the sea. The opportunity to spread Christianity opened when new countries were discovered. Next 20th question. How are the directive principles of the state policy aims at the holistic development of India? The answer is directive principles of state policy aim to create social and economic conditions under which the citizens can lead a good life. They also aim to establish social and economic democracy through a welfare state. Next to 29th question. Describe the features of an undivided family. There should be at least two male members in the family. Ancestral properties should have been inherited by members of family. All the members enjoy this property and have an equal share in that property. Thus, any child taking birth in that family becomes a member of the family. Next, question number 30. How evergreen forests are different from the deciduous forests of Karnataka? Answer is deciduous forests have preponderance of deciduous trees, whereas evergreen forests have dominated by evergreen trees. Deciduous trees completely shed their leaves for some time during the year. They have a distinct period of leaf lengthiness ranging from a few days to a few months. 31 question. Explain how Karnataka ranks first in the generation of hydroelectricity. Shivanasamudra Falls is a waterfall in Madhya district of the state of Karnataka. The state established its first hydroelectric power plant at Shivanasamudra across the river Kaveri in 1902. The electricity generated as a result of Shivanasamudra Falls powers the Kolar gold fields. Next 32 question. The floriculture is developing as a important entrepreneurship in Karnataka. Karnataka is a major floriculture state in the country with 22,340 hectares of area under floriculture accounting for 14% of country's total area and a production of 1,69,220 metric tons of loose and 5,550 lakh number cut floors accounting for 20% of loose and 13% of cut flower production of the country. 33 question. Marketing is important in the development of country's economy. How? Role of marketing here is the additional production of ideas, goods and services resulting in greater employment. Marketing stimulates the aggregate demand, thereby enlarges the size of market. Point for economic growth. It is the point for economic growth. Next 35 question. Explain how industries played prominent role during Mughal economy. Rich country inhabited by the poor, great disparity, freedom to choose occupation, agriculture as the main occupation, self-sufficiency of villages, barter as well as currency system, low prices. Next 36th question. Explain the election process of the president in India. The president is elected not directly but by the people but indirectly by members of electoral college considering of the elected members of the both the houses of parliament, the elected members of the registral assemblies of the states. 37th question. Road transport system is in Karnataka is better than railways justify. Construction cost of roads is much lower than that of railway lines. Roads can traverse comparatively more dissected and undulating topographical. Roads can negotiate higher gradients of slopes and as such can do that.